Something is missing on this Retromance ice cream, that is red cherry. Pausing my camera while shooting, they took the cherry and they had off without my permission. If you're eating this Retromance ice cream, please do drop down with your girlfriends, or else restaurant or cafe won't be giving this ice cream for a single person. Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. This is the first vlog after me dropping down to Bangalore from Chennai. So I've dropped down today to Nagarbavi, Vinayaka Levat. So this is in Nagarbavi Service Road. So the ice cream parlor name is Stoned Monkey. So everyone will be knowing about this ice cream shop. It's a brand, of course. In each and every area you might find at least one branch. So why I am doing Stoned Monkey? I know them personally and it's a new branch. Before this they were in Chandra Levat. They have shifted to Nagarbavi. So they wanted me to do video of this ice cream parlor. So I've dropped down today. So let's go inside and check out what is so special of this Stoned Monkey, because I have never visited Stoned Monkey before this. Guys, this is just not an ice cream parlor, and they do provide some types of snacks also, like nachos, sandwiches and cheese garlic bread. So they have, as of now, a very short menu, but in nachos itself they have like different types of nachos, as well as in sandwiches they have 5 kinds of sandwiches, and cheese garlic bread 1. They have different types of shakes, almost like 10 types of shakes they have, and cold coffee 4 types, thick shakes 3 types, smoothies 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types, and scoops they have like hell. They have 2 types of messy shakes. One is earthquake and one more is volcano. Nice names. They have different types of ice creams over here, like almost 30 to 40 types of ice creams. For add-ons, whichever flavor you buy, they are gonna be giving all types of add-ons if you select, but it's extra charges. But for particular flavors, for example like honey buddy, for that particular add-ons is something like this: roasted almonds, plain cake and organic honey. So here is Stoned Monkey franchisee owner Rakesh, especially Nagarbavi branch, not all the branches. Rakesh, so Haley, like what is so special of the Stoned Monkey?
See, basically this is a premium brand ice cream.
Right.
So what we serve here is for only premium customers, where they use all this whatever Nutella sauce irbodu,
Okay.
namdu Ferrero Rochers irbodu,
Okay.
Snickers irbodu,
Okay.
and lot of other things.
Okay.
What we use all are the premium items.
Right.
And ice creams what we are getting is also directly from Stoned Monkey,
Okay.
and those are also very premium ice creams.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and employees, whoever you have hired, they are going to be coming from Stoned Monkey,
Yes.
or you need to hire from your side?
See, what will happen is the people we will hire, and
Okay.
they will get the training from there.
Okay.
So training
they will
ಮಾತ್ರ
have
ಅಲ್ಲ
a
ಅದು.
training period.
ಹೌದು,
ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
training period ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಹುಡುಗರು.
Good. Okay.
Central
And
kitchen.
from what time the store will be open here?
From morning 11 to night 2 o'clock ವರೆಗೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Night 2 o'clock.
No, night 2 o'clock ವರೆಗೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Okay.
12 o'clock ವರೆಗೂ ಡೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ.
Okay.
Post 12 o'clock ಕಾರ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Car service.
Yes.
Okay. Guys, there are only some of the stores that where till 2 o'clock the operations is going to be working. So this is one amongst them in Bangalore. So especially ice cream stores, hardly, as I know, some 2 to 3 in Bangalore. But this might be like third one or fourth one, I can say. I've got nachos. On nachos, they have put lot and lot of mayonnaise, olives, jalapenos, and some onions, lot of carrot. On nachos, they have sprinkled chaat masala. So let me remove this triangle nachos. I can see something sticked inside this nachos, and they have given me one full bowl of ketchup. Chaat masala taste is really very dominating. Slightly ketchup sweetness is there. The taste is really good. Crispiness flavor, fantastic. I want to pick something which is on top so that mayonnaise, everything will be there. Here I go. Mayonnaise, carrot and jalapeno. Guys, mayonnaise taste is just good, and sweetness of the onions is in next level, and the jalapeno, it is giving a very good taste. Let me put some olive on the nachos, and capsicum is also being used. It is bit messy to eat, but quantity wise, great. Guys, taste is just amazing. You have to try this. Mayonnaise thickness is really fantastic because they use premium stuff. Quality is really great. It's in next level. On this nachos, whatever is being sticked, it's peppercorn. So the peppercorn is being baked and they have put in this nachos. So it has got completely stick. Here is chili sandwich. It's a grilled sandwich. Sides is being completely cut. That roasted part, brown color. So center part is there. For this also I have got ketchup as well as mayonnaise. Mayonnaise I ordered for extra. The cheese has been completely melted. Inside this they have used slightly capsicum, and the cheese taste is really very more. It's quite dominating. And outer they have used butter for roast flavor, so the crispiness is there. Inside this they have used mint chutney. So at last, when you're finishing, that time the chili spiciness is really very more, and the cheesy flavor that's giving an entire different taste. But the chili kick is really very high. Just look at this. They have finely chopped chilies, and they have put in this sandwich. It's really very spicy. When you're eating, you don't feel it, but at last, after finishing the sandwich, it will be really very spicy. But yes, this is a mouth-watering sandwich. Here is cheese garlic bread. The cheese has been completely poured on this garlic bread, and on top they have sprinkled some of the paprikas and oregano. Wish to try this, not with ketchup. The cheese flavor and the oregano flavor is in next level, but bread is not at all crisp. It is very soft. Maybe I had kept it in a side. Idu usual age crispiness baralva. So they are saying the crispiness won't be there in this garlic bread. Usually cheese garlic bread, it will be slightly crisp, but here it's not crisp. And downside they have used butter. So butter flavor, saltiness is slightly there. But yes, this is in next level, guys. It's very soft, and slightly sweetness of the bread is there. On top, cheesiness, paprika taste and oregano taste. The cheese is being completely melted, and they have poured on this cheese garlic bread. As name is, as the dish is. Kids can eat happily. Personally recommended for kids. The taste of this is really good. I wish to try this with some ketchup. Once that garlic bread enters, the main dominating taste is cheese and bread. That's it. Paprika and oregano, that is just a flavored one. You are going to be getting that flavor, but main dominating taste is cheese. I've got two types of ice cream. One is Mr. Rocher and one more is Red Romance. On top they have kept half Ferrari Rocher chocolate and one big flavor of ice cream scoop has been heated and chocolate chips has been added. Chocolate syrup is being used. So let me go for the first bite. Oh, the crispiness is there because they have crunched the chocos in this, so the chocos crispiness is there. They have chocos also in this. When they were preparing, I was seeing, and chocolate chips is giving a very good taste. Ice cream is really very soft. It's not so sweet. The chocolate flavor is really very dominating, and softness of the ice cream is in next level. And the crispiness, that is a fantastic taste. Here and there the almonds, roasted almonds is being completely smashed and they have put in this ice cream, so that is also giving a very good taste. After having AC in this room, the ice cream is completely getting melted out. I have to finish this as soon as possible and go for the next one. And the wafer, whatever has been put in this cup, they prepare the wafer here itself. They are not going to be getting out from outside. Crispiness is there, no sweetness, but yes, with ice cream it's giving a very good combination. This Red Romance slowly it's bending down because it's melting. In this they have used red velvet cake and they have put some strawberry syrup on top. The red velvet cake is quite dominating. They have completely smashed and the cream is fallen down. Red cherry is being served on top. Let me put this red cherry because someone loves red cherry, and I have taken cream. Cream. The strawberry syrup taste is quite dominating, but in ice cream, entire red velvet taste is there. They have put one big scoop of vanilla ice cream and half red velvet cake, and they have given a very good mix. Something is missing on this Red Romance ice cream, that is red cherry. Pausing my camera while shooting, they took the cherry and they had off without my permission. If you are eating this Red Romance ice cream, please do drop down with your girlfriends, or else restaurant or cafe won't be giving this ice cream for a single person. I was just making fun of the shot. This ice cream is really very good, especially red velvet cake who is fond of. They can definitely try this ice cream. It is in next level of taste, especially strawberry syrup, amazing taste. And extra, if you need red velvet cake, they are gonna be serving you. Extra charges will be applicable, but yes, if you have an extra red velvet cake for this one, it is gonna be in next level. The location and the price list will be mentioned in the description part. If you people like this video, please do like, share and comment. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.